Hi everyone, this is my Countdown to Christmas video, and it's one of series that I put together, and this one's a Christmas Wintry Forest Mantle. So I hope you enjoyed, so sit back and relax, and let's get started. I first drew out this reindeer that I want to use part as the mantle, so I was looking for branches that I would also use. I came across this wreath at a thrifty find, but $25 was just too much for it. So I decided to build one on my own. And these are materials that I'm using. Now, in order to get those branches to really become a circle or wrap around this right here, this foundation, I had to wet these branches, okay? And this is just a way of me showing you how you can actually make things pliable by adding a little water to them and letting them soak for a while. And that's exactly what I did with this one. I wrapped it around this form here, this noodle, and wrapped it around and then let it set and dry, and this is the results. Now, after drawing this reindeer, it was time for me to actually cut it out to be a part of the look that I want to put together. And then, as you can see here, I took some of that buffalo plaid and applied it to the form and then outlined it with the cord. Now, this is also DIY that I've done. My poinsettias and this is it all together. Okay, now let's add the trees. And these are my DIY trees that you saw me put together. And one of those is actually one from Big Lots. But this is me showing you how I've taken those Christmas cone trees and how I did my own DIY for this tree, cone tree, and the technique that I used to do that. Okay, and this is it. We're done. I want to thank you for taking the time and watch my videos. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, Amores, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.